Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this diamond. Okay, and we will be making something out of it. Okay, so for this tutorial I will be using my 2.5mm hook, and I will be using the same color. Okay, and that is acrylic yarn, baby pink. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start this, okay, we're going to start here and then we will be ending here. So make a slip knot. Okay, and insert your hook, and we are going to chain 3, 2, 3, and wrap our yarn. Okay, yarn over, and then we are going to insert into the first chain. Okay, and then make a double crochet. Okay, so we're going to make 4. Okay, so that's 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 double crochet plus 1 chain 3. Okay, so after that we're going to chain 3. Okay, and turn our work. Now we are going to increase. Okay, so we will be working a double crochet in this first chain. Okay, so we are going to make 3 more. Okay, for a total of 4. Okay, so 1 chain 3 and then 3 double crochet, and then after that we're going to go in the last, or the chain 3 space. Okay, or the chain 3 that we made when we started, and then do a 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, that's 3 and 4. Okay, then chain 3, turn our work, and we will be doing the same. Okay, so add 3 there. Okay, and into this space here, so what I'm going to do is into the last, okay, the top of the last double crochet, I'm going to insert my hook there and going to do 3 double crochet. Okay, so in the inside we're going to make a 3 double crochet, and the outside is 4 double crochet, and into the last we're going to make a 4 double crochet. Okay, and 4. Okay, so chain 3. Okay, and add 3 more. Two and 3, so that's 4, including the chain 3, and then after that, if you can see, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Oh no, we have, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the 4th we are going on the top of the 4th, we're going to make a 3 double crochet. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to do 3 double crochet. Okay, and into the last we're going to do a 4 double crochet. Three and 4. Okay, so chain 3 and continue doing that. Okay, 4 double crochet, so chain 3 plus 3 double crochet, that counts as 4, and then after that skip 2, and then the third 3 double crochet, 2, 3, skip 2, and then the third 3 double crochet, skip 2, and the third 3 double crochet. And then the last is 4 double crochet. Okay, so after that just chain 3, and then you will be doing a 4 double crochet in the first 3 double crochet, chain 3 plus 3 double crochet, count as 4 double crochet. Okay, and then chain skip 2 and continue. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 rows at the moment. Okay, so you have to continue doing that. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. We need 8 rows, and then come back, and I'll come back as well and show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I got my 8 rows. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 3. Okay, and after that we're going to jump into or skip 2. Okay, and do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so we're not going to do in the first one. Okay, and then continue 3 double crochet. Okay, so continue that guys, and then I will meet you up here. Okay guys, so I finished my rows, and into the last one we are just going to do double crochet. Okay, and then chain 3, and from here, because we're going to decrease, so this is how we decrease, and we're going to start in this next. Okay, so just chain 3, and then into the next work your 3 single crochet group. Okay, and then 3 single crochet. Okay, and continue doing that guys. So you just have to have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. So from here you will have 8 rows as well. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Okay, I will come back and show you what to do here. Okay guys, just remember, okay, so when we start, okay, we have to chain 1. Remember that we are decreasing. Okay, so both sides needs to decrease. Okay, so I'm into my last. So from here, when you decrease, you chain 3, and then you don't work here, you work in the next one. Okay, so that's how you decrease. Okay, so I'm into finishing my piece. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys you know, just in case you didn't follow what I said, my instruction before. Okay, so when we get here, okay, here in this side we're going to decrease. Okay, so what we're going to do is just double crochet. Okay, and we decrease and then chain 3 and turn our work. Okay, so in this part we're going to do only 1. Okay, so 3 double crochet there in the middle. Okay, and double crochet into the last. Okay, and then 3 chain 3, and then what we're going to do now is chain double crochet in the other side. Okay, so that is how we finish. Okay, that is how we finish our row. Okay, so as just this one here, it's the same. Okay, so that will be the same. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are just going to make a chain. Okay, so you can just cut this off and then you wave in tail. Okay, and you wave in this as well. And what we're going to do now is just make a chain. Okay, so we can use that. So with this one is we need 1 at the bottom, okay, and 2 here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can like create or we can just make our own and then we can just use that. Okay, or else there's 2 options. So what you can do is from this end here, because this will be our top. Okay, so chain. Okay, so until you get your length. Okay, so continue that, guys, and then I'll come back when I finish. So for example, this is your length. Okay, and what will you do is just single crochet going back. Okay, so just single crochet in every chain, okay, going back, and that will be your string, okay, or your cord for your bikini. Okay, this will look like that. Okay, so that is one way that you can do that. Okay, or else the other way. Okay, so the other way is you grab a little bit bigger hook and then what you're going to do, okay, so what we're going to do is insert your hook here. Okay, and insert your yarn. Okay, so this one is our wrong side. We have to work here. So okay, so insert your yarn, then pull through. Okay, and what you're going to do is chain 1 there and then just make a single crochet. Okay, and then what you're going to do is just chain. So because this one is bigger, okay, so you have a bigger strap. Okay, not compared to the other one that it will be small, and then you can just use this as you see that is bigger. Okay, so that's 2 options, okay, that you can make your strap. Okay, and there's a lot more that you can do, but this is just an option for you guys if you want to do that. And then with the bottom part, okay, what you do is just make a chain, okay, a string, a cord, okay, that we can go around your body. Okay, so do that, guys, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done. Guys, so this is the project that we've done. Okay, so this is the pad, and this is the strap going to the neck, and this is the strap going around the body. Okay, so this is how very simple it is. This is like a micro bikini top. Okay, so it is a diamond shape. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for supporting my channel, and thank you very much for watching. And if you're new to my channel and you want to, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. And if you like this video, please share, share, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Until to the next video, bye.